Baby, come back. No more fool can't see. I guess it make it better. Where'd you hit my finger?
I didn't flinch, but for some reason my hand was still up and it went like a reflex.
Why did you fall so far?
I don't know, actually.
Oh.
All I know is my arm was up and when it came under it hit and then it like curved up so it hit the springs.
You're just supposed to go like, when I push you, you're supposed to go.
Yeah, I know. I know what I did. That was... Oh.
That was horrible. I thought you hit your head.
Sorry, Maddie. I didn't mean to scare you like that. I'm sorry. You're okay. Ow.
God.
It just like killed my head. No, so it's okay. It's
was
all good.
Scared
Cosplayers, we're tough. We hit our hands over my hair. Oh my god.
You're talking to the mic, not your phone. What? Are you talking to the mic?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh! Okay. So I'll just be like this. I'll be amazing. Look at the starry night in the sky.
Do you want me to be behind you so you don't laugh? That could work.
Don't go on the
It didn't go off.
What?
The BB for a second. I had a BB moment when you were going, you looked for mine, but you looked like you were looking psychotic at the screen and looking at the knife like, ooh. I was like, it's rainbows, look at the knife. Go. Yeah. No cigarettes gone, fine. Alright.
How long does it go for?
Not long. You're done, probably.
Yeah, I'm probably done.
Yeah, it's only a couple seconds.
Hey, looking good.
Done.
And so are you.
It's really hot in here, guys.
If you start the shower, you have to go to the bathroom.
We're in the bathroom. Together. My amazing signature. Don't you guys like it? Who is it? I don't know. P. Squiggles, squiggles. That's like pizza. My Dr. Pizza. I wonder why he got it mixed up. Is the asshole trying to kill my man? And now we're going to have a sexy time in the shower at 12 in the morning. Where's the camera? I failed.